Hey everybody, I'm Joey Wargachuk, and this is my Tarot and Crystal Guidance video for January the 22nd to 28th. I don't know about you, but it's definitely cold season. I've got a little bit of a head cold. We've been really busy, lots of really good things. My Crystal Master Certification Workshop is now on Udemy, so please go check it out. It's really affordable, and it's for all those people who could never get free of their crazy busy lives to come to the workshop. Oh, and here's Snaps. He's getting all snuggly wuggly for the camera. You want to be in the frame? No, he's hiding under the frame. So let's pull the first card for January the 22nd. And it's the Ten of Cups. I love the Ten of Cups. The Ten of Cups is all about family, attainment, happiness, getting what we want. Let's move everything around because I know that Snaps maybe kind of wants to help. And he always gets the cards all mixed up, and I don't want to mix everybody else up. So the Ten of Cups is about obtainment, happiness. This Monday is going to be amazing. It's going to be about your relationships and feeling like you've made it and you're provided for and having everything that you want. You're going to be in a really good space to really kind of look around and be like, wow, you could be really loving your job or really loving your family or your partner or seeing the opportunity to grow and expand in a really good space. It's a rainbow, like, hello, like, it's so good. And the crystal card for Monday is one of my favorites. Snaps is just out of the frame, and he's, like, licking the cards. It's so cute. So Tiger's Eye is for your sacral chakra, and it's about relationships, which is really funny because the Ten of Cups is about relationships, so it's about strength. Confidence to make decisions with ease and implement follow-up action. So if you're going to decide that you're going to do something, you have to do the course of action and follow up and all that fun stuff like that. Here's has a decision you have put off impacted your life? What are you putting off that's not letting you grow and thrive the way that you want to? What is it that you're putting off, Snaps, that you need to do? Oh my goodness. So Tuesday, the 23rd, is all about the Tower. And the Tower is about enlightenment, blowing up all the ways that you've been living your life and having realization and realizing that maybe you should be spending your money on not things, but experiences, putting your money into efforts of like getting your dream job. It's like, oh, you just love being in the spotlight and seeing everybody, don't you? You're such a cute boy. So think about the Tower, about coming to a serious realization. You've got a lightning bolt that shows that, you know what, something is going to blow your mind on Tuesday. You're going to have that aha moment, and you're going to be able to make a decision and move forward into the universe. Oh, you're just all over the place today, my sweet boy. So with the realizations that are happening on Tuesday, don't forget about hematite and your root chakra. Stay grounded, and this crystal is about grounding, absorbs and transforms negative energy into positive while being very grounding. Question is, how can you increase your positive energy to attract the same? Mwah! I don't know about you, but I love attracting positive pussies. I love my puss. So the 24th Wednesday is the Nine of Pentacles. Who wants to start their own business? Who wants to be more entrepreneurial? Who is sick and tired of working for a huge organization that doesn't give a F about them? Who wants to make their own money and answer to no one? So definitely Wednesday is going to be about entrepreneurial action, and I'm looking forward to hear from you guys. What is it that passion that you want to start making money? Do you want to become a consultant? Do you want to become a spiritual event creator and do all kind and bring people together who care about the same things as you and get paid for it? Think about it. So the crystal card for Wednesday is, let's give them a really good shuffle. Oh, you want to bless them with your kisses? Ah, yes. Thank you. So, wow, malachite. And it's about the heart chakra, and it's a very powerful crystal for releasing things. So release negative experiences, give hope, and protect travelers on Earth and other realms. So is it time for travel on Earth or the astral plane? So think about where you need to go in order to start this new business. Or maybe you have to go to the library, maybe you need to do research. Maybe you need to talk to an expert. Think about somebody that you can talk to who's going to give you the tools or the inspiration to get you started. sometimes it's just a simple conversation. So Thursday the 25th is, ooh, Seven of Pentacles. And the Seven of Pentacles is about, maybe you need to invest a little bit of money into this project. Maybe you have to cash out your savings, but you're going to be investing maybe your time into maybe doing the side hustle, a side project that's going to become an entrepreneurial full-time thing. So it's investing and watching it grow. So this is an investment. This dream that you have is an investment, and you kind of have to like invest in it. Oh, I said investment like 4 times. So the crystal card for Thursday is, oh my god, I can't make this stuff up. Connected to the heart chakra. M as the Knight is all about motivation. Motivates you to take into action and to speak in the way without feeling judged. So don't feel like you're going to be judged. Talk to an expert. Where do you need more motivation? So you need the motivation in order to, and willing to take a risk, to take a jump off of the cliff to get what you want. So I don't know about you, but I think it's pretty exciting. Okay, so Friday the 26th, soft love. Mwah, I love you. I love you so much, snaps. So my favorite card. So it's totally going to be worth it. It's 6 of Wands, which is about accolades, getting recognition that you want, getting the attention. Please don't show people your butt. We talked about this. So definitely the 6 of Wands is that you're going to start getting the attention that you want, and maybe you feel that you deserve for what you're really good at. So take pictures of your passions, of your hobbies, post them to Instagram, create social medias. Don't be afraid to grandstand and show off a little. Show what you love. Take pictures of what you love. Get it out there, and you're going to get recognition. Maybe you'll go viral. Maybe you'll become an influencer. You'll wake up and be like, you have 1 million followers. And like, how did you do that? You did it because you were showing people what you're passionate about and something that you're good at that makes you an expert. And the crystal card for Friday, oh my god. Third eye, purple fluorite, order. So brings order out of the chaos and gives clarity by connecting the heart to the brain. So connect your passion to your brain. Duh. So it's really kind of good when the question this crystal brings is, where in your life can you use clarity? So be clear and concise about what you want and work towards it. Saturday, I love Saturdays. And Ace of Swords, a new intellectual approach, moving towards a business attitude of taking your life. Think one of the really great things that I saw on entrepreneur.com, and I have a subscription to Entrepreneur Magazine, is that think of everything as a product. Think of your life as a product. Think of your business as a product. Think of you as a product. And what kind of products do you want to have or represent to the world? How do you want to show yourself? And how do you want to sell yourself? How do you want to market yourself? Think about those things. And when you think about that, you're able to create a polished, perfect version and connect to your highest version of yourself when you kind of make it an action plan. Think of yourself as a business. Think of yourself as a client and how you want to be treated and how you want to be presented, and work towards that. Definitely some good works for Saturday. And the crystal card for Saturday is Rhodonite, love. Connects to the heart chakra, but is also very grounding. Connects to the root, grounds your heart chakra energy, and brings love energy to the physical plane. Has your love been over too idealized? So sometimes we think about, oh my god, I can never afford that, or I can't have that, or no one's ever going to invest in me. How am I ever going to make my dreams come true because I'm just a little person? No. Ground your passions into the earth and bring those big dreams into reality. Like, make a wish upon a star and bring it to earth. It's not going to blow everything up. You're going to do it. You can do it. So the last day, the 28th, the tarot card is Queen of Wands, mastery of life purpose. So focus on your passions, focus on what you love, learn about what you love, and you're going to become a master of what you're passionate about and share those passions with the world. And the crystal card for Sunday is pink tourmaline. Heart chakra again. We got a lot of heart chakra crystals this week, and pink tourmaline is about mending. Mend a broken heart and brings you into self-love. So it's very important when going after your dreams that you need to mend your broken heart. And the question is, are you ready to work through any pain and let it go? So let go all of the past, let go of all the things that have hurt you, and create a present and future that is aligned with your dreams and your highest self. Thank you everybody for listening to my videos. I love doing these weekly videos. I'm focusing on trying to get as many workshops as possible in the coming weeks onto Udemy so that everybody can sign up and become certified in the different things that I do. So from like crystals, tarot, chakras, psychic stuff, everything is going to be hopefully available ASAP. Thank you so much for your comments, hugs, and messages. I can't wait to see you guys soon. Crystal blessings.